Dear students and staff at the University of Iceland, teaching for the new semester is now getting underway in all schools of the university, and it is extremely gratifying to see how willing everyone is to work together to ensure that this academic year is a success. The COVID-19 pandemic will of course affect our work this fall, and the University of Iceland's main focus is on guaranteeing the safety and well-being of everyone, students and staff. All organization and planning will therefore comply with the current recommendations from the chief epidemiologist and other authorities. Steps that you can take as individuals, dear students and staff, such as hand washing, disinfection and physical distancing, will make a vital contribution to preventing infection at the University of Iceland over the next weeks and months. Online teaching will form the foundation of this fall semester, although the University of Iceland will strive to offer on-campus learning wherever possible, in particular for our new students, but we have rarely or never welcomed so many new students. Since the pandemic began early this year, we have regularly issued announcements and instructions to students and staff, all of which can be found in Icelandic and English on the special COVID-19 section of the university website, hi.is. The latest announcement provides detailed information on general infection prevention, hygiene and physical distancing, restrictions on gatherings and separation of groups. I urge you all to follow these announcements closely and to cooperate with the instructions provided. Dear students and staff at the University of Iceland, please remember that the current situation is temporary, but with a united effort, we will ensure that our work can continue successfully and we will safeguard the quality of teaching and learning at the University of Iceland. I wish you all the best for the fall and winter.